Hi everybody, it's me Sissy. Today I have a combo video for you. I have a Sephora Play unboxing, the Scentbird. I have a review of last month's box. I know I'm a little late, but with Christmas and everything that's been going on, we're just going to do it anyway. And I have a warning about a Dollar Tree product. I used this Skin Nutrition's New York Age Defying Dark Circle and Puffiness Serum in a little red tube. Has a little metal ball and you roll it under your eyes. Now I can't say 100% that this was the culprit, but this is the only thing I changed in my skincare routine and my moisturizers and everything. And I got the worst infection or breakout under both my eyes from the corner all the way down exactly where I was applying this. I don't know if it was an allergic reaction or if it was contaminated or whatever, but I had to get some antibiotic ointment from the dermatologist, and it's just now starting to heal up, and this has been about a month. So maybe it was just me, maybe it was my skin, maybe it was something else completely different, I don't know, but I don't recommend this. In fact, I'm going to put this in the trash. I usually love Dollar Tree stuff, but this, no. Anyway, let's get on with the good stuff. So, we're getting closer and closer to 1,000 subscribers. We're at 965 now. This is going to be added to the giveaway box. This is a set of 2 votive candles in the little glass votives. I'm going to add that to the box. It's getting really full. So, let's see. Oh, let's do Scentbird. I don't know if you know about Scentbird, but you pay $14.99 a month, I think it is. And you go on and you can put what kind of scents you like, personality or flavors or whatever. I like something light, fruity, flirty, I think is what mine says. But anyway, this month I got Catherine Melanderino. I don't know what this is. But anyway, it's called Energy of New York. And you get a little spray bottle like this every month with your scent in it. And I haven't gotten one yet. I've been doing it for about a year that I didn't like. This usually will last me about a little over a month because I tend not to wear the same thing every day. Probably 2 months if you can get about 30 usages out of it. That's what I'm trying to say in my very in-depth way. But it's really nice. They have lots of name brand scents, and it's the best way I know to try. It's 0.27 fluid ounces. So it's nice, and you can put it in your purse. It always comes in a little tube like this and then in a package. And they have some fancy little containers you can get to go to put this in. Let me see. This is what the little atomizer that the bottles fit in that you can get. They just slide in. And this was good. This was Vincent Kamado Chia. I love that. It smells so good. But and it comes in different colors, and you can just twist it down, carry it in your purse. I love this stuff. But and if you didn't like the perfume, I think you can return it. I had a problem one time where I didn't get my order, and I contacted customer service, and they sent my order and an additional perfume. So they have really good customer service. It might take them a day or two to get back to you, but they're usually really good. So let's jump into the Sephora Play. I kind of cheated a little bit. I've already opened the box. I couldn't wait. I had to see, but it cute bag for December was Glam Straight, so that is really cute. I like that. And of course you get your little sheet that tells you what everything is. This is the 2017 playlist. Oh, that's cute. Anyway, so let's see what we got. First thing out is the perfume. We got the Essence of California Cool. Sunny Effervescent Scent, features California clementines balanced with star anise and juniper berries. That might be good, and it comes in a nice little glassine envelope with a postcard. So we'll have to definitely give that a try. See how it smells, and I will let y'all know. Then we got the, there's no way I can say that. Wild About Skin Dr. Jart Tiger Grass Cream. Soothing formula contains nurturing ingredients to calm redness and irritation. So it came with that little tube, and it is 0.17 fluid ounces. So I'll try that out. I'm kind of leery about putting any kind of lotion on my face, but I think I can trust Sephora, so I'm going to give it a shot. See what's next. Make room for volume. This air spray revives lifeless strands, adds volume and body to your style, and extends your blowouts. Well, I might have to find somebody to try this for you, because I don't need any more volume, and I don't blow dry my hair. So I will give this to a friend, and or if somebody would like me to send this to them, just contact me in the comments below, and I will send this to you, and you can try it out. That's a good idea. Hey, I'm glad I thought of that. Anyway, if you hear any noise in the background, my son's doing laundry. So yes, I have a son that does laundry. Okay, then I got a Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen in black, a thing for wings. So we'll try that out. I'm not really good at lining my eyes. I never can do it like the people in the videos. I don't know. I'm just not good at it. And then we have Makeup Forever, which this is a good brand. I've heard of them. I have not tried them. I'm not the lipstick anyway. Shades of the Trade, Makeup Forever, lipstick and hot red. Ooh, I'll have to try that. I needed that for Christmas. So that's cool. And I think there's one more thing in here. Oh, Smashbox. Behind the Golden. Cover Shot Eyeshadow Duo in Golden Hour. Oh, let me see what the color this is. If I can get it up. Okay, sorry about that. My camera died, but it's going to give me a chance. I'm going to go ahead and do this Smashbox eyeshadow. I'm going to swatch that for you. I'm going to show you. See the color. It's nice colors. I like it. It's kind of a gold, muted gold, and then a darker gold. So I don't know if you can see that. That's good. And I'm going to swatch the Makeup Forever lipstick, if I can get it out of the box. I'm so bad at opening these things. This is a nice little travel size lipstick. Wow, that's red. Wow, that's really red. See that? That might be good. That might be when I want to be bad girl. Not bad girl. You know what I mean. And then the Clinique, of course, this is just black eyeliner, but wow. That goes on good. It's smooth, and I may be able to make that work, y'all. Anyway, that's everything that's in the box. I'll try all this stuff out this month and see how I like it, and I'll let you know. And as I said before, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, be entered into the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Lots of things in that box. Is getting fuller every video I do. I try to add something. If I miss one, then the next time I add two, or buy duplicates of something and get home, I kind of throw it in the box. So there's a lot in the box. Also, if anybody wants to try the Triple Sec 3-in-1 dry bar, just let me know and I will send it out to you. So everybody have a great day, a great week. Hope you had a great New Year's Eve and a great Christmas. Let's make 2018 the best that it can be. Bye everybody.